Full with customers, that. Yeah, very, very full inside there. There's some monkey people inside of there as well. Just doing the food on the hot plate. Lots of tourists here now on the street. Mongolian barbecue. Chairs. We have this beautiful area in the back here, big flats. We have some good. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
You good, yeah? This is Saigon Cafe, yeah? Name? Oh, Curry Traders. So it's called Curry Traders, this. Very, very interesting things here. Free beer. Not sure whether that's serious. No, it's okay, yeah? And then here till 9:30 p.m. Satay only. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 7 p.m. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along the street of Jalan Sudamala. So the street of Jalan Sudamala here in the Sanur area of Bali is a quiet side street just off the main street of Jalan Poso and connects with the street of Jalan Cemara, which is quite a popular tourist street. Some of the most notable resort accommodations on that street are the Prama and the Puri Santrian. In tonight's video, my starting point is going to be actually where the street of Jalan Poso meets the street of Jalan Cemara, and I'm going to walk all the way along to the end where it meets the street of Jalan Poso. So as I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all of the hotel accommodation options, the Warungs, the restaurants. There's quite a few popular Warungs on this street, most notably Warung Baby Monkeys, Saigon Cafe and Warung Beach Breeze, three of the popular Warungs here in Sanur. There's a few little shops also. Massage and spa. So I'm just going to give you a general idea of what you can expect from this quiet side street here in the Sanur area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll here in Sanur. Okay, so here's a start point for this evening's video. I'm just stood on the street of Jalan Cemara now. We're just going to be heading around the corner onto Jalan Sudamala in a minute. However, I want to pick up this place. It's sort of on the corner of Cemara and Sudamala. It's a place called Warung Beach Breeze. Quite busy inside there actually. I'm not going to go too close because there is quite a few customers inside there. So that's Warung Beach Breeze. So here we are. So we're heading on to the street of Jalan Sudamala now. I'll show you around the side of Warung Beach Breeze. There's quite a few customers inside of there. And we're going to head across the street now to the Sudamala Resort. Tourists just walking past as I'm walking across the road now. The Sudamala Sanur Resort. Sudamala Resort Sanur, sorry. Nice little seating areas out here at the front. Have some live music in the back there. And this restaurant. Nice. Nice looking place that. I'm going to head on in this way now. So that's Warung Beach Breeze there. I'm going to head across the street here now. It's a little bit dark, sorry. This is a dark street, this. We have Temple Island, Bali. Free beer. Not sure whether that's serious. No, it's okay, yeah? And then here's inside the shop. Some nice stuff inside of here. Here's a counter. There's some nice sunglasses. Some nice clothing. So there's boards as well. Let's look at some of the clothing. Kiddies clothing, boys clothing. Some nice ladies stuff as well. Men's t-shirts, some shorts available there. Many, many things inside the shop here. Okay, so just continuing on from Temple Island. Next we have a place called Saigon Cafe. So we can pick that up as we just walk along. It's probably a little bit dark in the light settings. So we have some good. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
You good, yeah? This is Saigon Cafe, yeah? Saigon Cafe, yeah?
Saigon Cafe.
Saigon Cafe, up above there. A few customers inside of there. Thank you. Here's some of the menu. Oh, it's a little bit dark, we can't really pick it up. Next we'll head along now. We have the Warung Baby Monkeys. Wow, this is super busy inside here. Warung Baby Monkeys. Full with customers, that. Yeah, very full inside there. Some monkeys. Warung Baby Monkeys. Busy. Just keep walking up the street. Next we have the Kana. I've featured this hotel in a video. They also have a restaurant as well here. It's the restaurant. A few people inside of there as well. Just doing food on the hot plate here. How are you, brother? Live music in there as well. Nice Mongolian barbecue. It's very difficult to pick up the writing. It's a little bit dark and bright, the camera settings. Here we have the Akana. Featured this hotel in a video here. Bali Sanur. Lots of tourists here now on the street. All enjoying the spirit. And then just across the street here we have a brand new restaurant. I'm not sure what this is called. What's the name? What's the name? Oh, Curry Traders. So it's called Curry Traders, this. Very, very nice looking restaurant inside this. Very beautiful seating areas. Nice. A few customers just to the side there. We won't go inside. Thank you so much, yeah? It's just some customers in the back there. Very nice, but a little bit dim lighting. Have a tattoo studio just next door. We have to get close to see it because of the lighting. Like Loka Tattoo Bali. Very nice grand entrance this. Wow. How are you, brother? You the tattoo, yeah? Yeah. Some sea and sand here. Nice little shop this. Some nice signs and things here. Nice. Some nice home decor, many things inside. Keep clean beach. Many beautiful things inside there. Wow. Big Pinocchio there. Nice. That's called Dawn Gift Shop. They have one of them in Kuta as well. Just here we have a mini mart convenience store. This is relatively new as well. Just out the front here have a seating area if you want to sit and have your drinks. Look at tattoo. Have a money changer across the street there. Not sure whether that's closed. Yes, it is. It's closed. It's got the closed sign on the window. A little bit late. And here we have a place called BJ's Bar and Grill. Runs along the street here. Nobody inside at the moment. Can we have a look around, yeah? Yes, okay. Just have a look around here at BJ's. Oh, I can see you. Some nice tables and chairs here. Have the flat screen TVs up above there. Got the sport on the TVs. Here's a close look at your tables and chairs. We have this beautiful area in the back here. Big flat screen TV on the wall there as well. Lots of seating in here. There's a bar area at the back here. Nice. DJs, and then you have a pool table in the middle here. Nice. Okay, just coming from BJ, so here's some more tourists on the street, some more coming up the street as well. We'll just continue now. We have a little collection of local Warungs here. Selling all of the drinks and things. The Nutrisari, these are like a juice drink. It's a powder form, you just add it to water. Hello, good evening, how are you? Good? All your snacks and crisps and drinks and things here. And we're gonna head across the street here. We have Torrey Inn here. I've featured this accommodation in a video. Has an absolutely huge swimming pool, this place. It's just in the back there. Very quiet off the main street. We have the Dang Spa and Beauty. I think this is a new one here. Hello, good evening, girls. How are you? Do we have the Bali Love? Yeah, the Bali Love. This is new spa, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, not so old. Only 1 year, yeah. Okay. Hello. Some massage girls inside with the customers there. So the name's Verdang Spa and Beauty. There's some of the different treatments available. Sorry about my shadow. Jalan Sudamala. Good evening, bye. Bungalow number 5, not sure what that is. We have Leah Spa here. This is a very popular spa again. I have featured this in a video. She'll have the link in the description for that place for you. And we're just going to head across the street. We have the green Cambodia villa there. And we have a little like boutique shop here. It's called Envy Bali Boutique is the name. We are open. Some very nice looking stuff actually in here. Ladies dresses, ladies handbags, jewellery, all things of that nature inside of there. Some very nice stuff. Some nice ladies clothes as well inside of there. My 2 bags 20% off. Doesn't appear to be any staff in there. We're going to cut back across on the other side of the street again. So that's Leah Spa there. Very popular spa that here in Sanur. Very good spa as well. Just across the street there we have the green Cambodia villa. It's just there. And then here we have Peeny Weeny Beauty Salon and Spa. Another very reputable spa here in Sanur. Customer inside there now just having the massage. There's other customers inside as well, maybe having the body massages. A little bit of a darkness section of street now. There's a green Cambodia villa. Local little Warung there. I think that's already closed. Some more places across the street here. We'll just head on to the other side. Another local little Warung again here. It's just there. And then here's the Cambodia Homestay. So the Cambodia Homestay has just recently had an extension. There's now put a restaurant area in here. A few of the Western tourists here. Nice. There's some of the menu and things there. I'm not sure we can pick it up. Maybe it's a little bit too dark. And there's all at the Cambodia Homestay. Cambodia Warung, that is, connected with the Cambodia Homestay. And across the street here we have the Taksu Sanur Hotel. If anybody has a request for this, please do send me. It's one I would actually like to add to my collection. This. It's just in the back there. Used to be a restaurant there, but it's closed down. Used to be a steakhouse. Just take you to the entrance of the taxi, show you the lobby area. Very nice looking lobby area in there. Nice. Reception desk to the side there. Bar area in the back there. So this is at the Taksu Satay Galore, 6 till 9:30 p.m. Satay only, 75k net. Satay and beer, 125. Menus out here at the front, too dark for the camera to pick it up. We have Warung Banyu Wangi here. Just a local little Warung here. Just choose from all of the dishes in the window there. Seating area inside in the back there. Fresh juices as well available, it says there. A little shop there to get your SIM cards and data and stuff from. I think that they're connected with the Cambodia Homestay and the green Cambodia Villa. And then here we have Made by Maid. Very nice shop, some nice bikinis and things there. Some handbags and things in there. The window's a little bit misty. Must have the aircon on, too cold. And some nice looking stuff inside of there. These bikinis. And then just on the end here we have Warung Belanjong. There's quite a few people inside of there. Warung Blanjong. There's the name up above. And then this is the street of Jalan Sudamala. So just across the street we have some more Warungs, Sari Bundo, Warung Jawa Marino Seneng. It's just there. It's usually very full actually, that Warung Jawa. It doesn't appear to be too full this evening. I'll just finish here at Warung Blanjong. There's quite a few customers in the back there. Nice. And this is the street of Jalan Sudamala. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night stroll here in Sonora along the street of Jalan Sudamala. So as you saw with the camera in tonight's video, just a nice quiet or relatively quiet side street just off the main streets of, or connected with the main streets of Jalan Sudamala and Jalan Cemara, which is a very popular tourist street, home to the Puri Santran and the Prama Resort, two very popular resort facilities here in Sonora. So also with the camera in tonight's video, there's a nice collection of Warungs on the street here. Three of the most popular ones here in Sonora are Warung Baby Monkeys, Warung Beach Breeze and Saigon Calf. We also had a few hotel accommodation options, the Taxu, the Cambodia Homestead, Cambodia Villa, the Torrey Inn, which I have featured in a video. I shall have the link in the description for that place for you. Also got massage and spa on the street. Some very popular ones, Peeny Weeny, Leah Leah, and the new one that we passed there as well, Vedang Spa. Maybe you want to give that place a try. The girls seem very friendly and nice outside there. Have Curry Traders, the new Indian restaurant here on the street as well. All in all, it's just a nice little side street sandwiched in between two other very popular tourist streets of Jalan Sudamala and Jalan Cemara. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.